some of them still at school or at college, who have only just started to learn English. So their vocabulary is limited, their sentence structure is English. And we thought book 1 might be just a little bit too advanced for them at this time in their training. So book 4 was started, and in that book we used very basic, simple words, simple short sentences, using words that we would use every day in English, words that they could easily read, copy, and begin to use in their English practice. So book 4, same structure, the position of the vowels, the speech organs, the single words, the single short sentences, simple sentences, and little verses for what I would call are real beginners, people who are just starting to learn English as a foreign language. So we're very excited about this book because I think it's going to appeal to so many people.
Yes, we called it Get Rid of Your Accent for Beginners. And what I really like about this book, it's so snappy and easy and fun to use. I really love to repeat these short sentences, very short verses. I think a lot of school children who are going to school,
indeed,
they would enjoy it.
They would.
Adults would enjoy it as well because it has really fun sentences and fun verses, and we use lots of target sound.
Yes, all the time. All the chapters.
Yes. And yes, I think this book is very, very useful because it has that commonly used vocabulary.
Exactly. That's why it's so easy to copy and understand.
Yes, and we published an app. It's called English Accent for Beginners that you can buy together with this book and practice it with the app and with the book. And we wish you success and
enjoy.